What? So we had some friends driving on their vacation to the Outer Banks. They were bored in the car, so we played some Cards Against Humanity trivia for them. Check it out.
Question number 1.
I got this. What?
What will I bring back in time to convince people that I am a powerful wizard?
Let me pick. Out of the stack? The milkman! The milkman! Come on, that's a good one. We keep moving.
Okay, that one wasn't that great.
It was funny.
Question number 2.
All random picks, by the way.
What are my parents hiding from me?
Wait. Random pick number 2.
What are my parents hiding from me?
My genitals. My genitals. That's what they're hiding from me.
That explains a lot.
Hey, ready for another one?
Question number 3 to entertain you while you're driving.
What is it?
How am I maintaining my relationship status?
Random pick. Watch this. 5,000, 50,000 volts. Straight to the nipples. No kidding.
You better maintain your relationship status.
Funny.
Hey!
What's that?
So, I'm thinking he may have to redeem himself with some of these answers because I'm not liking them.
Hey, they're random. I got a stack of cards here. I just grab and pick one.
Question number 4. What would Grandma find disturbing yet oddly charming? Grandma.
Oops, wrong way. Dick fingers. Dick fingers. Grandma, that was charming.
Okay, I can't help but laugh at that.
That's freaking hilarious.
Poor Grandpa. I don't know.
Grandma finds him charming.
Are we as entertaining as we hoped?
Hope so.
Yeah. Okay, question number...
Oh, I had a burp.
Retake. Question
Take 2.
number 5.
Take 5.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's blank.
Huh.
Maybe she's born with it.
Handy dandy card
Maybe
here.
it's
You read it.
penis breath.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's penis breath. Funny shit right there.
One last entertaining question before we go back to work. Here we go. I get by with a little help from...
It isn't, my friends.
Blank.
Hold on. What is it?
I get by with a little help from...
Oh shit, it's my all-time favorite. All-you-can-eat shrimp for $4.99.
He loves all-you-can-eat shrimp for $4.99.
That's always a winner.
It fixes,
All-you-can-eat shrimp for $4.99.
It fixes everything. Yeah.
Have fun on your trip. We're getting some floor put down.
Be safe.